Abracadabra. Stilettos for numbnuts. Two-piece spring. The sex pin. Sex pin. Right there, see? Go through the liner right there. Swivel bolster. Those lock. Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. Now when it's up, don't press the button. Locks up. Goes there. You can't press it, because it stops it from coming up. Right? That's the only piece. So when it's in here, that's in there, goes in between, and since you're Hercules, you press this down, bend the tab, and then it won't work anymore, and then it just slides down really loose. So if you're dumb and you do that, you have to twist this with a pair of pliers so that it forces it back up into position. Otherwise it's down low and there's no tension on it, because all it is slipped inside there. Italian. Not too tight, because you need to make this move. Swivel bolster, remember? Need to move it. One piece spring that's in here. Same concept. You press the button, it stays in the hole. So if you can't press it, I can't press it, I can't press it. Press down, press button, open. Oil the hole, oil around, close, open. That's important right there, because this is what goes in there. So when it's closed, there's friction between the button and that, so then you won't be able to open it. So keep it oiled. A pick lock. These are your fingers. You pick your nose and you pick the lock. Same thing. Pick the lock. You pull it out. Close it. If you can't pick the lock because you have arthritis, your hands don't have the dexterity, you can't move them around, use a little screwdriver. See that lock? You just put it behind it. You lift it up and then it closes. Simple. No frustration. Ow, my fingernails. I don't have fingernails. Screwdriver. Simple. Pick lock. Swivel bolster. Italian. Chickadee China. No press, right? Because it was locked. Oh, there you go. Geniuses. That's it. Stilettos for numbnuts.